my last day. So cute, goodbye. My 3 o'clock meal. Second meal today. My raw food. It looks amazing. Yep. Nice presentation. Got some pineapple on the bottom, and on the top is just some leaves wrapped in something. I don't know what's inside, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna cut it. Wow. So nice. Smells delicious. All herby smelling. I can taste dill. Very nice. Good. I've overeaten, I think, a little bit the night before because the salad was just far too big. It did stretch my tummy though. So anyway, the result of that was that this morning woke up feeling tired, so a little bit kind of. The body needed a lot of energy to digest it all at once. Took a little bit of yoga and all those kind of things to really get me going. It shows really that we really need to ease very, very slowly into food. And maybe I should have also juiced a little bit longer until the signs of hunger would have come up naturally. I started eating because I had a program. So yeah, allow the body to tell you that it's hungry, because then we know the detoxification process has been completed. So there is also a detoxification process going on whilst being on raw food to also keep the blood clean and the cells clean. So this is the experience today. You probably can see it maybe also in the videos. You can always see it on the face, the way I look, what I'm going through. I had this, of course, this big spot break. I think it was day 7. And this is kind of clearing now. My face suddenly broke out in loads of spots on my forehead and on my nose and everywhere. Yeah. But hey, okay, I'm going through it, so what can I do? And it is looking much better now, which I'm really happy about. I'm gonna do some more relaxing and take advantage of the beautiful beach, beautiful sun, and other beautiful surroundings I still have available to me before I'm heading back to London.